In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the total count of emails in Gmail. It's a simple process, but if you're not familiar with where to look, it might not be very intuitive. So let's walk through it step by step to make sure you can effortlessly find that information whenever you need it. First, what you'll need to do is go straight to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll notice various sections like Inbox and Sent items, essentially your basic navigation menu for your emails. If you're like many of us, you might have everything you need right there in the open. However, to dive deeper and access the section we need, you'll want to click on the More option. You'll find this option typically towards the bottom of the sidebar. It acts almost like a drop-down, revealing more options and expanding your menu. Once you've clicked More, look for the All Mail option. Selecting All Mail is crucial because it aggregates every email you have, sent or received, into a single view. It's a catch-all section that gives you access to everything stored in your Gmail account. After selecting All Mail, your screen will update to show this comprehensive list of emails. Now, the next step is to find the actual count. For this, direct your gaze to the top right corner of your Gmail interface. There, you'll see a set of numbers. It's easy to gloss over these numbers if you don't know what you're looking for, but they give you valuable insights. Let's break it down. You'll see a sequence that may appear as something like 1 to 150 of 1,234. The initial numbers represent the range of emails currently visible on your page. In this example, it would mean you are viewing emails 1 to 50. Following that, you'll see the AOE off, followed by another number. This is the total number of emails in your account. So, in our example, 1,234 is telling you that you have 1,234 emails in total. And that's it. It's quite straightforward once you know where to look. Now, whenever you need to check how many emails you have at a glance, you can do so with ease. This little skill can come in handy, particularly if you're managing your email storage or just want to keep track of your correspondence volume. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your Gmail account more effectively.